Understanding, have half a mind to. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language. Have half a mind to. This expression is rich in meaning and often used in everyday conversations. Our goal is to help you understand it fully, so you can start using it confidently in your English communication. Let's get started. The phrase, have half a mind to, is used when someone is considering doing something but hasn't fully decided yet. It often implies a mixture of reluctance and a strong inclination towards taking a certain action. For instance, if you say, I have half a mind to quit my job, it means you're seriously thinking about quitting but haven't made a final decision. This expression beautifully captures the moment of indecision that many of us experience. Let's look at how have half a mind to can be used in various contexts. Expressing frustration. I have half a mind to tell him off for being so late. Considering a bold move. She has half a mind to start her own business. Contemplating a reaction. We had half a mind to leave the party early because it was so boring. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in expressing a range of emotions and decisions. Understanding and using idiomatic expressions like have half a mind to can significantly enhance your English fluency. It allows you to express nuances of thought and emotion more accurately and naturally. Moreover, recognizing such phrases in conversations or readings helps you grasp the contextual meanings and emotional undertones more effectively. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of have half a mind to. It's a wonderful example of the richness of the English language and its ability to capture the complexity of our thoughts and feelings. Remember, learning these expressions not only helps you understand others better but also makes your English communication more vibrant and expressive. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.